Morning folks, doing a challenge for teams with Kobe Bryant. Select Jersey Auto. Get in that box there. Come on. There we go. Challenge live. Computer's being a bit temperamental this morning. List has Hodjo to Tom. We'll copy that list into the randomizer at 10:08 local time. Eventually it'll let me do it. There we go. Matthew on top. Tom at the bottom. Dice roll of 2 dice, no snake eyes. We're going 8 times. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times a roll on top. One more time. 10:09. Congrats to Spot 2. It's a roll picking it up. Had to go 8 times. Did go 8 times. Verification code at the bottom. A roll on top. Congrats. Challenge complete.